Ever wonder how ChatGPT understands your questions? It's not magic, it's machine learning. Let me break down how these AI models actually work in under 6 minutes. Large language models, or LLMs, are AI systems trained on massive amounts of text data from the internet. They learn patterns in language, like which words typically follow each other. Think of them as super advanced predictive text on steroids. They can write, answer questions, and have conversations because they've learned how humans communicate. During training, LLMs process billions of words and learn statistical relationships between them. Imagine teaching a child by showing thousands of book pages. The model doesn't memorize, it learns patterns. When you ask a question, it predicts the most likely next word, then the next, building a response one word at a time. Large refers to the billions of parameters. Think of them as neural connections. More parameters mean better pattern recognition. GPT-4 has 1.7 trillion parameters. These massive models capture nuanced language understanding, enabling them to handle complex tasks like coding, translation, and creative writing with impressive accuracy. LLMs power chatbots, writing assistants, and search engines today. They're transforming education, business, and coding. But they're not perfect. They can hallucinate facts and reflect biases in training data. Understanding their strengths and limitations helps us use them responsibly. Like this video and subscribe for more AI concepts explained clearly, and comment, what question do you have about AI?